Dada, I see something outside. I see something outside. Something just flew away. I saw something. Something flew away outside.
Who's outside?
It was red and shiny and had bells on it.
Is this what it's not your chickens.
Yeah, she thinks all I got her chickens.
Quinn, the front door.
Quinn, it flew out this way.
It's in the front.
Can you open this door? Something flew away outside. It was outside, and then it was gone. I heard jingling.
Open the door.
Open the door. Can you open it? You got it. You opened it. Open it.
Let's see what's out there.
I think there's...
Who's that?
Who left that? It's a present for you. Oh, can you get it, Dada?
Maybe it's a treat.
It's a treat for you. I think Santa might have left that to get ready for Christmas. It's a heavy box. Let's come over here and let's look inside. Come sit down. Let's look inside. What is that? Oh, wow. It's your elf. The elf on the shelf. Oh, I'm so excited we get to do this, Quinn. Let's open it and see. Oh, there he is. A little elf. The elf on the shelf. Oh, he's so cute. Do you want to read this book and see what we have to do for him?
It's my first time.
Okay, we're home from preschool and Elliot has broken out of his box. Look, there he was. He was over there in that box and he's gone.
Yep.
So Quinn's got to find him now. Yep, I mopped the floor. The floor's a little wet still when we were gone.
Yep.
Okay, we gotta try to find Elliot.
There.
Let's look.
This is here.
Is he in your room?
Yes. Look.
Elliot, where are you? Elliot. Where is that silly little elf? He's up to no good. Come on. Can't leave Babe. Is he in the potty?
Yes.
Elliot. Is he in the shower? Look in the shower. Is he in there?
No.
All right, let's keep looking.
This kid can do something tricky.
He's somewhere tricky.
Somewhere tricky. A kid look.
We'll find him. Where are you, Elliot?
Where are you?
Babe, we didn't leave you. You're okay. You're all right, babe. We gotta find the elf, babe.
Where you go? I can't find him.
Keep looking, Quinn. He's a good climber. Look up high. Keep looking. Keep looking. I'm looking up here by my baskets.
Here.
He's not up with Mommy's glasses. He's not up here.
Somewhere.
He's not up there. Keep looking up high. He's a very good little climber. Where?
Right there.
Elliot! There he is!
Look up.
Hi, Elliot.
Here, there. Hi, there.
What's he doing? How did he get up there?
I know.
How did he climb up that high? Do you think he used Babe's chair? Just climbed up the little wall like a squirrel?
No, it's this chair.
Oh, he moved that chair?
Yeah.
He looks so cute up there. He's watching us.
How to get there?
He's a good little climber.
And then it gets keep down.
All right, you know what you get? You found Elliot, so we get to do our Advent chocolate. Our first day. Gotta open it up. It's a fresh Advent calendar. Babe, you excited? Okay, I'm opening it up. I'm gonna put this down.
I can't get down there.
Okay.
That's a wishy, Mommy.
So let's find day number 1. Oh dear, Tara. I just bumped into Tara.
No tea, no chocolate.
No chocolate, Tara. All right, where's day number 1? Wait, we'll find it. 12. Oh, I see one. It's right there.
Okay. Hey.
On the back. Oh, what's on the front? It's a little tree. How cute. All right, you found Elliot today. We'll see where he's hiding tomorrow. He's gonna watch you, see if you're a good girl all day.
Oh.
Hi, Shar, what's on your head? Oh, Shar, that's terrible. It's mistletoe on Shar's head. Oh, Shar. So funny. Oh, Shar, there's mistletoe on your head.
It's so funny. Chubby.
Oh, you're so cute.
Where's Elliot? Find Elliot. Where is he?
Where's Elliot?
The wig. Get back him.
Is he up there? Is he back up there?
No.
Where is he?
Find him. He's very sneaky. You went to visit Santa last night and told Santa you were a good girl. And now he's back home because the back door was cracked a little bit when I came up
See,
there.
Elliot. Is he right here?
Where is he? Maybe you should pick her up, Daddy.
Quinny, look. Where is he? What's he doing? Let's see Elliot. You can't touch him.
It's magic. Elliot!
What's he doing? He's fishing.
He's fishing for goldfish with a little fishing rod. That's so cute, Elliot. Oh, he's busy. What a cutie. You love him? He's so clever. How did he get up there?
It's one chair.
He just moved a chair?
Can't get there.
He can jump pretty high, too.
I can't there.
He's so cute.
It's magic.
He's a little magic elf. Elliot. Baby Char.
I see a baby shark. I see a baby shark. I see baby shark.